All right, I want to introduce you to this couch. Now, this is kind of like a brown cream couch. Every seat is the most comfortable seat you sit down. Now, this is pleather, but they have multiple colors. Now, one of my favorite things that I'm going to show you guys, it's hidden in these features is that you can actually recline on the two ends, right? So now, one thing I'm going to tell you, you are going to need some clearance in the back to actually maintain the actual push. You could even go further back down and sleep on the couch. Now, don't recommend you sitting on this and laying down. You're going to wake up at the wrong time, right? So, because they're it's firm, exactly like the other one. But the two corners expand by pushing a button. Now, you are going to manually have to push back once you get the actual leg rest up, all right? This is one thing that there's no electronics in there. It saves you money from charging any stations or anything like that. It's just a basic couch to relax and enjoy. Now, the color itself, it gives the actual atmosphere here a beautiful look with the actual decor of it, right? Now, you have to manually push down, right? If you don't have those strong legs, start working out, because this couch, you're never gonna have to push back down once you set up.